This thing's actually pretty nice, but I wish it was an extended cab, but it's not. Tools, sandpaper, things like that. Have center caps and stuff for the rims. I'll put on the wheels. And there's the new center caps and some mud flaps and things like that. There you go. And somewhere in here there's some trim, which I'm kind of excited about. Yeah, I think this would be pretty cool. You got these decals, and I want to paint the truck to look just like that. It's kind of not zooming. There you go. So I have these decals. 4x4 Sport. And I'm going to do the truck in white, and the fender flares in matte black, and the bottom stripe in gloss black, and the rims in gloss black. And I have new lights and tail lights. It'll make it look nice and new. So yeah, it'd be kind of fun. Oh yeah, and I have some trim, some sticky adhesive trim that I think I'm going to then, where's the picture? I think I'm going to do the some adhesive trim like right there on that line, because there's a body line right there. So yeah, do the 4x4 Mountain Sport here, do that adhesive trim here, do white, and then actually silver on the bottom below that belt line. And I have these 4 fender flares. I'm going to do those in matte black. I'm going to do the rims in gloss black. It'll have the bright new chrome center thingy, and then that little adhesive trim on that line going all the way from the front to the back. And then I think I'm going to paint the bumpers too. And I think that'll make it look really modern. I think it'll make it look really modern like that. I really like how that looks. So the interior is excellent. I think it'll be a nice pickup for somebody. The interior is actually super nice. 4x4 5-speed. I think it's cute. I wish I could keep it, but I need the money. So